my channel. So this is part of a series for like Christmas gifts or just gifts in general that you can make yourself and you can give to loved ones or family or really anyone you like. Today's DIY is going to be a bucket hat with like embroidery on it. I chose something so hard to do. I would definitely recommend something small because this took me like 3 hours. Taking me so long to just do this tiny like little embroidery. Here's what I made. So it's just like a little butterfly. Do people still do this? I do this all the time, but I don't know if I'm too old now. Like people probably be like, why is she doing that? So I can see everyone. It's just so I can see, okay? Because like, I feel like I'm restricted when yeah, so I always roll my bucket hats. That's just what I do. And I love bucket hats so much. I wear them all the time and all my friends bag me for it, but that's okay. I think this is just so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I'll probably wear it tonight. I don't care. I don't care what everyone says. I love bucket hats. They're so cool. We'll get right into it and hopefully you'll enjoy the tutorial.
So here's what you'll need for this tutorial. So bucket hat, embroidery thread, scissors, a grey lead pencil, some inspiration and a sewing needle. First you need to decide what you want to embroider. I would recommend embroidering something really small because it can take quite a long time to embroider items. Then I chose all the colours that I would need, so I chose all the blue sort of ones and some black. Next I tried my best to lightly pencil in a butterfly shape. If you don't feel confident enough, you could always print out a photo and trace it. If it's a light enough colour fabric, you should be able to see through. I definitely wish I did mine a little bit darker though. So don't be afraid to sort of do it a little bit darker than I did. I did it really light and it was hard to see. Next I separated some embroidery thread and threaded my needle. I started from the top of one of the wings and I just kept looping around and trying to make the stitches really close so then there wasn't too many gaps. The smaller the stitches the better this will probably turn out. Because my picture was so big I decided just to do big sort of loops around just to make it quicker for me, but it still took a long time. After I finished with the base colour, I then went in with another colour to sort of add some more details. I then started on the outlines with the black thread. I made sure to layer my colours in a certain way. Because black I could outline with, I decided to do that last as I'd be able to just go around and neaten everything up. Also, when you're sewing, just be conscious not to pull too tight on the thread because it may leave dents in the bucket hat and you won't be able to get rid of them. And I'm not kidding when I said it takes a very, very long time. So definitely if you're time poor or don't want to spend a lot of time on this, definitely choose something a lot smaller than I did. I also added little details at the end, just little light blue spots. And there we have it, one hand embroidered bucket hat.
Guys enjoyed that tutorial. I'm actually so in love with this hat. Like, it is so cute. But as I mentioned earlier in this video, this is part of a Christmas series, sort of for like gift giving and making something for someone. So I'm definitely keeping this for myself. I don't care what anyone says. But yeah, if I had someone that liked bucket hats, I'd probably make them one as well. But I don't really know anyone that likes bucket hats. I don't know. I'll have to do some research on my friends and family. But I just think this is the cutest thing ever. So make sure you liked and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more DIYs and of course business tips and just vlogs in general. So with that being said, I will leave you to it and make sure if you do make any of these, please tag me on my Instagram, Madebytaylahrose. I'd love to see any creations you guys make up. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your day and thank you for watching. Bye!